Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish crochet collection, crochet mini and tini accessories designs, useful accessories, beautiful about fashion, hair pin designs, beautiful boxes, beautiful hair band designs, earring designs, and beautiful hat, caps, loche, and also decoration pieces, beautiful handbags. Some are beautiful big bags and some are little boys bag, little girl bags, keychains, beautiful chains, and very beautiful stylish. Some are earrings, bracelets, headband, and many more. So please watch my video till the end and you can get latest variety and latest designs about fashion, crochet beautiful mini accessories designs. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, then please like me, comment, and please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. These are very impressive collection. Bracelets, handband, very beautiful stylish collection. Some are bag rings, key rings, also bag rings, because mostly girls like bag rings. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, take care of yourself and please pray for me also. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.